Hello and welcome everyone. Today, I wanted to demonstrate the MT2MX converter tool, which we give it to all our students who either join via self-paced program or via online classes, which happens every month. So I just wanted to demonstrate how does it work and how would it benefit in terms of your understanding into MT2MX data mappings, right? So let's get started. So as you know that with our course, you would be getting four types of MT to MX converter tool, including MT103 to PAX-8, MT202 to PAX-9, MT202 cover to PAX-9 cover, and PAIN-J01, that is from MT101 to PAIN-J01 MX converter tools. So these are the four types of tools which you would get it, and it is in terms of Excel based tool, that is, it is a standalone tool. You do not need any sort of internet connection. As soon as it is available in your system, you would be able to convert it. So how does it work? Let me explain it to you step by step. So as you can see, this is the Excel based tool wherein you can see the upper section, the top section will have the data which is available in your MT103 message. Now, if you see this block one sender, this is the data which you need to populate. You can modify right over here all the whichever big you want to make it available over here, that you can populate here. That is a message sender over here, just like this, the one which I can show it to you over here. And same way the message receiver bank. So this is for your direct payment method. And same way, if you are populating 56 and other intermediate institutions, then it becomes a serial payment method. So all those data which is required for you to convert is available. I'll just walk you through one by one. There is block one sender, block two receiver. In block two itself, you have this message priority code if you want to populate. So not all of them are mandatory. If you want to skip it, you just have to remove it. You just have to delete it like this, or else you just have to populate the data whichever you want. So 113 is a bank priority code. 113 is, sorry, in the block 3 itself, you have this 111 field, and then block 3 itself, you have this UTR field, which is a 36 character alphanumeric. 20 is your sender's reference number. 21 is a related reference number, which is not there in MT103, but it is, I mean, end-to-end identification is there in ISO 2022, which I'll let you know at, which is available at the end of this entire series of empty data. So all this data which you can see at the upper section in the orange color are the data which is available in your MT103 message. You just have to populate the data over these cells which is available. And once you populate this data, few more data you have to populate over here, which I'm going to show it to you at the end of it, which is available in the bluish color. So these are the fields which is newly introduced in your ISO 2022 message, which you need to mandatory populate in this so that you can get the proper ISO 2022 message. Right, these are the ones which are newly introduced, mandatory ones which needs to be there available in your ISO 2022 PAX-08 message. So once you populate this data, right? So basis that your MT103 messages as well, whichever data you have populated here, it also it gets available here in this message itself. It shows like mandatory, and all those optional tags as well. Each and every information is available in this particular Excel sheet itself. Now, only thing what you need to do is once you populate all those data which is required for you to check in your ISO 2022 is you just go over here. You have this developer option over here. Enter the developer option. Again, you have this option of export. You just click on export button and then give the path where you want to save this ISO 2022 messages, right? So as we know that it is a XML based message, so we'll save it as XML itself. I have given the name as sample XML. So let me save it over here and then show it to you. So you just have to click on export. So it's been created. Now only thing is you have to go here and then you just have to You just have to go to that folder path over here. I had saved it, right? So this is available, sample.xml. Now what we need to do is we need to just open it with respect to the Notepad++. That will be helpful for you to understand XML-based messages. So I just have to, open with or edit with Notepad++. So I'll just edit with Notepad++. And then you can see the respective ISO 2022 messages which has been generated. Right, all those data which is available in your Excel is been transformed or translated into the respective ISO 2022 message, and the data are available whichever you have populated over here. So this is how your MT2MX messages is getting generated. It has all those fields, which is all those elements, I would say, in ISO 2022 available, which is been mapped with respect to the MT103 message, which is there available in your Excel sheet. Same way, I have created multiple converter tools for my students, which I have to show. This is MT101 to Paint J01, and same way I have MT103 to PAX08, MT202 to PAX09, MT202 to PAX09. Um, so these are the different tools which you would get as part of our training platform as well. So let me quickly tell you about our course which we offer. So as we know that we are the payment guru now. Earlier we were called as Swift Payment Guru, but now we have changed our name as the Payment Guru, and this is how we are available in our LinkedIn channel as well. So normal cross-border payment and ISO 2022 courses are going on every month. To know, just email us at swiftpaymentguru@gmail.com. And same way, SEPA payment as well. Every month we have the online classes. And for both the courses which we offer over the platform, we also provide the self-paced program where you get all the videos at once, and the access would be for lifelong. Along with this, you would get other important reference documents. You would get all those MT2MX converter tool, which I was just discussing it to you. And then the trainer contact for you when you start walking into this, or even after that. So you can reach out to the trainer for any kind of assistance as well. And then the 50 important interview questions, not to forget, which is very much important for any students to crack the interview, which is available around the market. Now, the thing is, so far, we have been able to help students, more than 150, to get placed over different banking organizations, regardless of the skills, mostly into BA, quality analyst, product owner, scrum master, and into operations is where our students have been placed, and they have been getting the handsome salary right now. So this is the right time, right? As I say time and again, that since the migration is happening around the world into ISO 2022, this is the best time to utilize yourself to move into the right domain. That is, payments domain is right now, which is very demanding. We have been able to help the students who were walking into healthcare, insurance, which was non-payments domain, to move into the payments domain, help them in terms of creating the CVs, and this is that the recruiters were also able to find them over the different recruitment platform like Naukri, in LinkedIn, etc. Right? So those kind of assistance also we provided, and the cost for these kind of courses is the lowest this time, because we have completed 5+ years of training into the Payment Guru or the Swift Payment Guru right now. So just utilize this. Right now we are running some offers, so you will definitely get benefited out of it. And the course cost of ours are generally also are very low compared to the market, as I have been saying. So we are only charging maybe 20% of what in market is available, the payment different varieties of courses which is available in the different popular places. So that's all, just enroll us. I mean, if you want to enroll, just drop us an email over swiftpaymentguru@gmail.com, and over there you'll get entire details of the batch and the dates when the new batches is about to start, and all important information as well, including your fees. So that's all for the day. I'll see you next time.